Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Welcome to Atlanta. The song is Welcome to Atlanta. The artist is Jermaine Dupri, and the choreography is DEMERIA SEGUAN. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo with the music. If you want to learn the step-by-step, watch till the end and click right here. And let's go.
Welcome to Atlanta, jacking hammers and bones. Back to the Mac and jacking the clothes. Adolescents packing a bow. A knock on the door. Who is it? Don't happen to know. The one with the flow. Who did it? It was me, I suppose. They see in the rolls and looters in the cuts of green. Skating down on neck, tucked and lean. I split your spleen. As a matter of fact, I split your jean. No blood on my sneaks, gotta keep it so my kicks is clean. I get the cream. Cops see me flick my beans. I'm allergic to Dr. Crop and a histamine. Point, point, pig, pig, do away with the pork. Only silver I need a steak knife and a fork. Did you forget the matters? I'm Bruce with banners. LUDACRIS, Johnny Rockets when I shoot the cannon. The woolly mammoth saber tooth, bite your tongue. I won't stop until I'm rich as the whites will come. I pull up in the black lotus, your plaques are bogus. So I strip them off the wall, waiting for my cue to corner pocket 8 balls. You racking them up on big paper like pancakes, stacking them up. In fact, I'm slapping them up. Cadillac in the truck, I can't lose with 22s. That's what's up. Running in the back up, better than the aqueduct. Welcome to Atlanta where the players play and we ride on the things like every day. Big beats hit streets, see gangsters rolling and parties don't stop till 8 in the morning. Welcome to Atlanta where the players play and we ride on the things like every day. Big beats hit streets, see gangsters rolling and parties don't stop till 8 in the morning. The party don't start till I walk in and I usually don't leave until the day ends. But in the meantime, in between time, you work your thing, I work mine. I've been putting down here since '83, since the Lake Show MD rivalry. When Frozen Paradise was the place to be. You was riding, you was bumping the homie Shot D. I'm the MVP, most quality player. Make my own rules, call me the mayor. Monday night, Gentleman's Club. Tuesday night, come up in the velvet room, get up. Wednesday, I'm at Strokers on lean. Thursday, jump clean, and I fall up in cream. Friday, sharp walk higher with Frank Ski. Right on the floor is where you can find me. Saturday, cause I'm the easy for sheezy. You can find me up in one Tweezy. Sunday, cause when I get my sleep in, cause on Monday we be at it again. Holla. Welcome to Atlanta where the players play and we ride on the things like every day. Big beats hit streets, see gangsters rolling and parties don't stop till 8 in the morning. Welcome to Atlanta where the players play and we ride on the things like every day. Big beats hit streets, see gangsters rolling and parties don't stop till 8 in the morning. Welcome to Atlanta where the players play and we ride on the things like every day. Big beats hit streets, see gangsters rolling and parties don't stop till 8 in the morning. Welcome to Atlanta where the players play and we ride on the things like every day. Big beats hit streets, see gangsters rolling and parties don't stop till 8 in the morning.
Hey, 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 hey. That is Welcome to Atlanta. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.